welcome back. Today I'll be speaking about integration by parts. There are three questions. Let's try to solve by using integration by parts. Integration by parts, we have formula. We have integral of u into v dx is equals to u integral v dx minus integral d by dx of u as a first function, integral of second function dx and whole dx. Okay, now u is a first function I am considering, v is a second function. So how to choose first functions? We have this formula. Okay, I let as you know, I stands for inverse trigonometric, L logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. Okay, now in this first sum, what we have is integral of x square sine of 2x dx. Now in this what this is x square is algebra, and then next is trigonometry. Algebra, trigonometry, which one is first? Algebra is first. Okay, now so x square we have to consider as a u, sine 2x we have to consider as a v. Okay, otherwise you can do one thing. You choose the function which differentiable. When differentiate, it's become very easy. For example, if I choose u as a x square, then I'll be getting differentiation of x square is twice x. If I differentiate again, then it is a differentiation of twice x is x. Okay, so in that way you can think, or you can apply this formula. Okay, if I apply this formula, then x square, since x square is algebra and sine twice x is what? Trigonometry. So this is first function. Applying this formula, what we have is u. This become u, this become v. Okay, now u is what? X square integral of sine of twice x dx minus integral Now let's try to solve this first. Okay, this first question, x square into sine 2x by integration by parts. We have this u into v rule formula, and then how to choose first function is we have this formula I let. Okay, now over here x square become an exponential and this become a trigonometric, so we have to choose exponential as a first function. Okay, applying this formula, what we have is integral of x square sine of 2x dx is same as x square as a first function, that is u, x square integral of sine of twice x dx minus now d by dx of u. Okay, integral d by dx of u means what? X square, that is twice x. Okay, into now integral of, let's write once, sine of twice x dx. Okay, now x square sine twice x integration is what? Minus cos of twice x upon 2. This 2 I can send outside. 2 integration of this is minus plus cos of 2x upon 2 plus c. Okay, this is a required answer. Okay, integration of sine 2x is cos 2x upon 2. That minus and minus become plus. This 2 is sent outside and 2 is over here. Okay, that is integral. Okay, into dx. This minus I can send outside, minus x square cos of 2x upon 2, 2 gets cancelled, plus integral cos of 2x dx. Constant we can send afterwards. We can write afterwards. Minus x square cos of 2x upon 2 plus integration of cos 2x is what? Sine of twice x upon 2 plus c. Okay, this is the answer for this. So let's write down this integral of x raised to 4 into log of x dx. Okay, by applying this Euler formula, I let here x4 is what? Algebraic, and L is what? Logarithmic. So logarithmic function will be the first function. So we will interchange this. This is same as integral log of x into x4 dx. Okay. After this, we have to apply u into v rule. So let's consider this is u and this is v. Okay. Now this same as u means log of x. Okay. Log of x integral of x raised to 4 dx minus integral d by dx of first function. D by dx of first function means what? D by dx of log x is d by dx of log x into integral of x4 dx. Okay, this is by u into v rule for integration by parts. This is, we already spoken the formula. So therefore this is same as log of x integral of x raised to 4 is same as x raised to 5 upon 5 minus integral d by dx of log x is what? 1 by x. Here 1 upon x, and the integral of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 upon 5. So this 5 I can send outside upon 5. So I can send upon 1 by 5 because this is constant. So we have to integrate with respect to x. Over here we have dx. This is same as log of x raised to 5 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. Now here x and x, we have x raised to 4. X raised to 5 upon x is x raised to 4 dx. Okay, this is same as log of x upon x raised to 5 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. X raised to 4 is same as x raised to 5 upon 5 plus, since it is indefinite integral, we will have some constant of function. Okay, you can keep like this, or you can like multiply 5 into 5, 25 x, this minus x5 upon 25 plus c. Okay, you can keep like this. Okay, in this e raised to x is exponential function. Over here exponential is last. Okay, sin x is what? Trigonometric function. So trigonometric function will be first function. Therefore sin x will into, this will be same as sin x into e raised to x dx. Okay, this I can rewrite as integral of sine of x into e raised to x. Why? Because by using Euler formula. Okay, since sin x is here, because it is trigonometric, after that it comes exponential. Okay, now after this we have to apply this formula, Euler into u into v rule. Okay, here this become a u means first function, this become a v means second function. Okay, now therefore it is sine of x u into integral of e raised to x dx minus integral d by dx of sine of x into integral of e raised to x dx, and after that you have to integrate whatever you have respect to x. Okay, this same as sine of x. Now e raised to x of integration is same as e raised to x. We have this e raised to x minus integral differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x. Cos x into e raised to x is what? E raised to x dx. Now I can keep this as something like I. Okay. So again, here we have to integrate respect to x. Here I can keep sine of x into e raised to x, again minus, applying again u into v because this again u into v over here by using Euler formula. Now similarly, this will be the first function and this will be the second function because this is trigonometric and this is exponential. Okay, by applying this u into v rule once again in here, so this will be what? Cos x integral of e raised to x dx minus integral d by dx of cos x is what? Minus sin x, minus plus sine of x into integral of ax is what? E raised to x dx. Okay, the same as sine of x into e raised to x minus, I am sending minus inside, it become cos x e raised to x, integration is e raised to x dx plus minus integral of sine of x e raised to x dx. Now this same is over here. Okay, I can keep this as something like this is I already said let I be this, therefore this will become a I. Okay, so this on the right hand side we have another I, this become same, bring it over here, this plus become minus, therefore 2I is equals to, here I can take e raised to x common, e raised to x sine of x minus cos x. Now again I can send 2 down over here, therefore I equals to e raised to x upon 2 sine of x into cos x plus c. Okay, now here we have integration of sin x into e raised to x. Okay, now we are getting again cos x here, again we have to integrate so that the same I we will be getting. Okay, so the same I we are getting, and this I plus I, that side twice I, and let's free I over here by sending down here. This is the required answer. Okay.